if you have a Wren that has a tendency to roll to the left as the flaps are deployed, and that happens every now and then, I've seen it more than once, you've got kind of an asymmetric flap deployment is what's causing that. And the easiest way for me to tell if that's happening or not is I have the flaps retracted fully. I'll put my hand on the joint where the inboard flap segment meets the fairing on the fuselage, and I'll watch the flap on the right side. And then I'll have somebody extend the flaps. The second I see the flap on the right side move, I want to feel the flap on the left side move. If there's a lag, that's what's causing this tendency for this rolling to the right, or to the left, excuse me. The right's coming down a little bit before the left. And usually that's caused, once again, by this integrated trim system having some drag and restricting the travel on the carry-through cables. Because the right-hand flap is connected directly to the transmission. It's a mechanical connection, where the left side here is connected with these carry-through cables. And if there's a lot of drag on that system, it prevents those carry-through cables from moving immediately. So the right side starts down because it's mechanically attached. It lags a little bit on this side because of the drag on the cable. And if you see the right side start to deploy before the left side moves, that's what's causing this issue, and you need to deal with it.